Here's Salvador. Yager to Ruutu. And punched away by the Hurricanes, but it's not out of harm's way yet as the Devils bunch up on the far side. And it's played here to Ruutu. Cuomo Ruutu throws it across, they score! Travis Zajac the finish! And the Devils have the early lead.
Winning battles and hounding the puck. Here again, they give it up. Beautiful saucer pass by Ruutu. Actually,
Carter works it behind goal. Bernier back to the point. Shot by Andy Green is deflected wide. Good pressure by the Devils. Fane with a shot and a glove save made by Khudobin. Long shot from the point is blocked away by Brodeur. Taken away, and the backhand try by Komisarek. Brodeur with that save as well. Just over 2 minutes to go in the opening period. Punched across to the stick of Dinas Zubris, and the pass here for Brunner. 2-on-1, he's got Elias with him. Brunner across, Elias shot saved by Khudobin, who got the leg out.
We're so excited to have you guys, really looking forward to it. And it looks like they're having a pretty good time tonight.
The athletes are here in force tonight. The Devils were kind enough to host us for Special Olympics night. And we have the dancers and the cheerleaders and the Devil in here, and we're having a blast.
Difficult in slow motion, Chico.
Well, it goes
deflects
wide.
Off Brodeur, and there's Skinner. That's his second goal in as many games.
yeah, Skinner just chips this thing. He doesn't let it settle down, and Mark Fane can't get to it. Coming out of their own end in the neutral zone, jump them as quickly as you can.
Elias got it back to the point by Zajac. Shot by Zablitsky. Rebound try by Brunner, and it's in. It quickly popped out, but the signal from the referee, Damian Brunner, power play goal for a 2-1 lead. And quickly, the Devils regain the lead as John Merrill goes back in his own end. New Jersey at the start of play tonight. 5 behind the Rangers, 4 behind Detroit. Here's Henrique, and on a backhand, he scores! Adam Henrique!
Mr. Automatic.
Each dangerous shorthanded, each with a pair of shorthanded goals this season, and Elias nearly with the takeaway at center.
Ooh, Ryan Murphy having a rough night, Steve. Number 7.
Elias drops for Henrique here. His shot, score! Adam Henrique again! And that continues to be an Achilles heel for the Carolina Hurricanes. They've allowed 5 shorthanded goals in the last 6 games. Semin plays it across. The continuation of the power play. A shot by Harrison. He scores. Jay Harrison beats Martin Brodeur to make it 4-2. Yager, nice little dish to Elias, who's over the line. Plays this to Zajac, and a shot fired wide. Brunner worked it across, and that pass intercepted. Jordan Staal plays it ahead. Nathan Gerbe is in on Brodeur. He scores! Another shorthanded goal tonight. Gerbe to make it a 4-3 Devils lead.
At the post. Oh, this is a nice. Oh, off the toe of Marty Brodeur. I thought it had hit something. It hit.
Nice job to avoid one defender in Manny Malhotra, and his shot went wide. Picked up here by Malhotra. Punches it ahead. Shot by Semin, he scored! A turnaround try by Alexander Semin, and the game is tied with 7:21 to go.
Really, not knowing probably exactly where he is on the ice even, just whips it and throws it in off the pipe. And that made it 4-3, and another one just moments ago has tied it for these Hurricanes.
Off the draw, Zablitsky maneuvers in the circle, works it back, shot by Ruutu, scores! Tuomo Ruutu!
There he is there. Bang, bang. Now watch how he releases and finds the open ice. And
Flo busting through, got by one defenseman, and Murphy. Quick shot there by Elias, is saved by Ward, and skated back the other way. 3-on-2 for Carolina. It's Gerbe who has it at the circle, fires, and it went wide. Seconds to go. Pass taken away by Green. Banks it off the near boards. Yager sends it deep in.